Do you like seeing your photos turned into beautiful story albums automatically, or maybe you didn't even know your Galaxy can do that for you? Today I will show you how to enable auto create stories inside the Samsung Gallery app on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This feature collects your photos and videos from the same moment or event and turns them into story album without you doing anything. To do so, open Gallery app. Now tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, then tap setting. Scroll down the screen. Under story section, enable auto create stories. Once enabled, your phone will automatically scan your photos in the background and create stories based on date, location, people, or special moments. You can find these stories in the story section on your gallery app. And that's it. It's a super simple way to enjoy your photos in a cleaner, more meaningful way. Your Galaxy S25 Ultra will take care of the storytelling. All you need to do is sit back and enjoy the memories. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.